your routine. तो ऐसी चीजों की
Wonder Women.
Hi guys, I'm Pasta and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing my best of quarantine with all of you. And I know कि ये video बहुत ही ज़्यादा boring sound कर रही है, but believe me, I'm going to share my secret कि कैसे I was dealing with so many things at one time, and then also I was able to manage my emotions and stay calm at the same time and focus on my work, which is like a huge deal for me, dude. I'm telling you, like, I'm the worst at managing my emotions. अगर मेरी लाइफ का कुछ इतना सा पार्ट खराब होता है, मैं बाकी सब लेती हूँ basically. तो I am really happy to be sharing all of this with you. So I think we should get started. Just before that, I totally understand that all the bad things that have been happening in 2020, and despite all of that, how lockdown has been the best thing that has ever happened to me. So basically, just keep on watching the video and you'll know how to get where I am right now. And I hope this video helps anyone out. Like, even if one single person is getting something out of this video, then my job here is done. So the first thing that I'm going to start with is an Instagram detox. So basically, I know this is something that every other person tells you to do, but I totally understand how hard it is. There are certain people you follow but you don't want to follow, but अगर unfollow किया तो उनको बुरा लग जाएगा या touch छूट जाएगा या कुछ भी, but they're not adding to your productivity, or they're not motivating you to be your better version. So as usually, I suck at explaining the basic things, so I'm gonna give you an example. So for example, I follow Shreya Jain, Komal Pandey, Mansi Ugale. So these three people, specifically Shreya Jain, she never ever fails to share what all she did throughout the day. As in, she just starts recording videos on, like, starts putting up stories, 4, 5, 5, कभी 10, 15 भी, and all she talks about is how much work she did that day. As in, I just watched her stories, and she mentioned that she actually shot 5 YouTube videos, dude. And apart from that, also shot some kick-ass pictures. It is very important to be consistent with your routine. तो ऐसी चीजों की
Wonder Women.
Okay, it's 7:30 और मेरी Alexa ने मुझे अभी भी बोला wake up Wonder Woman. Coming back to the point, basically. So these are the kind of people I want to be around. I want that kind of positivity in my life, to just be pumped up to create more and more content, and also just to stay positive and energized. Second point, reading and listening. पहले हम आएंगे listening पे. Listening में I am a very talkative person and I do not give the other person a chance to actually say or complete their things. But for some time I have started to listen more and talk less, और बाकी की सारी भड़ास आके फिर मैं कैमरा के आगे निकालती हूँ या मैं 1-2 घंटे के लिए लाइव चली जाती हूँ इंस्टाग्राम पे. बट दिस इज समथिंग दैट हैज हेल्प्ड मी अंडरस्टैंड द अदर पीपल मोर. और मैं ये नहीं कह रही हूँ कि किसी नए से, पुराने से, या कुछ भी. बेसिकली मैं अपने पेरेंट्स की भी इतनी ज्यादा नहीं सुनती थी, मैं बोलती रहती थी. अब आई ट्राई एंड लिसन मोर, तो दैट हैज हेल्प्ड मी अ लॉट. कमिंग बैक टू द रीडिंग पार्ट, सो I recently discovered this about myself, that I really never knew that I had a thing for audiobooks. So basically, one of my friends recently introduced me to Storytel, which is actually a digital subscription service that streams audiobooks for your mobile phone. You can download an app on iPhone or on Android and create a subscription. They have 100,000 books, like more than that, in fact, I guess. And they have them in languages like Marathi, English, Hindi, and many more. So I think this is actually very amazing, and I actually use it while picking out outfits or maybe chilling, like basically whenever I have time. And it's actually great. Just look at the screen. This is the book that I'm currently using, I mean reading, and more like hearing. And here are some of the features that I think are really cool. The best one is you can actually adjust the speed. और मुझे बहुत तेज से सुनना पसंद है. इवन मैं वीडियोस भी देखती हूँ यूट्यूब की, तो मैं उसको स्पीड बढ़ा के देखती हूँ, तो दिस इज समथिंग दैट इज अमेजिंग फॉर मी एंड आई लव दिस वन. Apart from that, I'm gonna share a little bit about the subscriptions with you guys. So they have a 14-day trial period and also a subscription at a really affordable price, which is $299 per month. और इसके अंदर ये है कि इवन इफ यू वॉन्ट टू कंटिन्यू इट तो वो मंथली वाला भी कर सकते हो, और एक ही मंथ के लिए चाहिए तो वो अलग से. एंड ऑल्सो आई हैव अ लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. अगर उसको क्लिक करेंगे तो यू कैन ऑल्सो गेट, लाइक यूजुअली यू गेट 14 days का ट्रायल, बट मेरे लिंक से यू कैन गेट 1 month का ट्रायल. एंड आई थिंक दिस इज समथिंग जिसको बिल्कुल मिस आउट नहीं करना चाहिए. 300 rupees to actually enhance your knowledge and also learn a little news. Sometimes I think it's worth it. And आज की डेट में हम लोग बहुत ही ज्यादा अवॉइड कर जाते हैं बुक्स को, बट you can still stay in touch with that side of you. On to the next part, which is the subscription also comes in $7.99, which is for 3 months, so you can opt for that as well. And I think we're done with that point, and make sure you check that link in the description box out to get your hands on the 1 month free trial. On to the third point, which is learning to cook. And I know I sound like a very privileged person, but मुझे आता है. मुझे पसंद नहीं था खाना बनाना, बट अब मुझे पसंद आ गया है क्योंकि लाइक आई लर्न सो मेनी न्यू थिंग्स. नाउ आई मेक क्रेजी अमेजिंग पास्ता, राइस बॉल्स एज इन cheesy balls, and pizza and so many different things. Momos, dude, momos. I make amazing momos. I even have uploaded so many food related recipes and videos on my Instagram and YouTube as well. I baked a cake. If you have not watched it, please go watch it. I'm gonna link it somewhere here, most probably. So coming back to the point, not gonna lie, I still need a lot of practice घर पे ऐसे माँ के हाथ का खाना टाइप्स बनाने के लिए. बट नाउ आई नो ऑल द रेसिपीज, आई नो कितना क्या डलेगा, और आई थिंक like cooking has been very therapeutic for me and a very nice bonding experience with my mom too. And now finally she can rely on me to feed my brother when she's not around. क्योंकि पहले भाई के ऊपर रिलाई करना पड़ता था कि भाई मुझे खिला देगा. आई नो मेरा भाई छोटा है, वो बहुत अच्छा खाना बनाता है, ठीक है, कोई उसको ऐसे क्वेश्चन नहीं करने वाला है. मुझसे तो बेटर ही बनाता था, बट अब मुझे पता है कि लाइक आई कैन डू स्टफ. पहले भी मैं कर सकती थी, बट आई वॉज नॉट श्योर एंड आई वॉज नॉट इन द मूड. अब मैं हूँ मूड में, इफ दैट मेक्स एनी सेंस. और एक तो एक इतना बड़ा पॉइंट है ना, आई हैव नो आइडिया हाउ आई गेट टू these things and how I get distracted. बट यार मैं खाना बनाती हूँ एंड मतलब like it's very good to see people getting satisfied by the food that you are making, and like बहुत ही खुश हो जाते हैं मेरे पेरेंट्स तो. बट मेरी भूख मर जाती है यार. ऐसा होता है क्या किसी के साथ खाना बनाते बनाते खुद की भूख मर जाती है? By God. On to the fourth point, dealing with the emotional roller coaster. So a lot of people know what I'm talking about. Basically a lot has happened in this lockdown, emotionally and mentally. I was all by myself and it kind of broke me at one point, because before that I used to just ignore. I used to go out, party, or maybe like hang out with friends, watch Netflix, but कब तक ignore करते वो चीज. So I had to face everything. Like it's like head first dive की हूँ मैं अपनी सारी problems में और खुद sort out किया है. So the thing, like being all by myself broke me, right? But then it also gave me an opportunity to pick myself back up, and I just never realized how much I was craving the fresh air until I got it. Coming back, a lot of you have asked me to make a quarantine breakup kind of video कि कैसे deal करें और कैसे नहीं. Let me know if you really want that in the comment section below, and I will surely get back to that. Till then, just know that you are the only person who has the power to let other people affect your mental peace. And also, obviously, there's light at the end of the tunnel. Actually hai. I think that's about it for the video. Let me know if you guys like videos like these, and I to really enjoy it. क्योंकि मैंने बताया ना मैं listening ज़्यादा कर रही हूँ और मुझे बोलना भी होता है यार. मुझे बोलना होता है यार. Please सुन लिया करो मेरी. So that was it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, then don't forget to hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye. It was really nice talking to you guys. Thank you so very much, and please watch this video, yaar. Videos के लिए देखते तुम मेरी. Bye.
Yeah, baby girl, you're so damn fine, though. Wanna know if I can hit it from behind, though. I'm sipping on you like some fine wine, though. When it's over, I press rewind, though. Talking bands, I got it. Benjamins in my pocket. I traded my truth for some robins, and he's playing.